I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint flowers. Mint flowers are a delightful and often overlooked part of the mint plant, offering a subtle, sweet mint flavor that's less intense than the leaves. They are completely edible and can elevate your culinary creations or add a beautiful touch to your home. We'll cover everything from harvesting to various applications, ensuring you make the most of these fragrant blossoms. Harvesting mint flowers is simple. Look for clusters that are fully open and vibrant. Use clean scissors or your fingers to snip them just below the flower head. After harvesting, gently rinse your mint flowers under cool, running water to remove any dust or small insects. Then, carefully pat them dry with a paper towel. This preparation ensures they are clean and ready for your recipes. Mint flowers are incredibly versatile. You can use them as a beautiful and flavorful garnish for desserts like fruit tarts or chocolate mousse. They also add a refreshing touch to salads, cocktails, and iced teas. Try infusing them into a simple syrup for a unique sweetener, or freeze them into ice cubes to elevate your drinks with both visual appeal and a subtle minty kick. To preserve your mint flowers, you can air dry them by hanging small bunches upside down in a cool, dark place. Once dry, store them in an airtight container for future use in teas or potpourri. You can also infuse them into vinegar or oils for unique culinary gifts. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.